Everybody, it's me, Legend Zelda Master 1, and on this tutorial I'm going to show everybody how to place sound files into flash files for their animations. As you can see, here's some text. That link is saying, "Are you alright, Saria?" Or asking if she's alright. So what you want to do is, well, first make the sound file. So what you want to do is open up whatever sound recording software you have. Audacity is a very good one, and you just record a line. So, "Are you alright, Saria?" And obviously this one's going to be redone when the actual animation comes out. But then what you want to do is make sure that you clear all you clear all the sound up by going to noise removal, get noise profile, and remove noise removal again. Press OK. Then you want to amplify it a little bit, not all the way, like maybe about 2 points lower. And then you get the noise again just in case there's still background noise. Then you just clear it up again, play it back. Then what you want to do is trim down the audio file. That way less space gets taken up. Then you go to File, Export, and save as whatever you title it. And save it. Don't have to do anything for that. Now that it's saved, you go to File, Import to Library. Go to Narration, and wherever the file is, mine's in My Narration. Then you see it here. You open it, then it appears right here, or mine's in alphabetical order. You could change the order it's in, and you insert a keyframe. Now it's easier if you have it in blank keyframes. Then you just drag it from the library into the window or stage. And then when you play it back, it should have sound. I'm going to take out my headphones so you can all hear it too. "Are you alright, Saria?" And that's how you put sound into Flash. So that's it for this tutorial. If you found it useful, please subscribe and comment below. And Jamata.